got talking and going, won't you say it? Yeah. I was feeling like myself on the first town, in a long town, till I bumped into some of your friends
over there talking to mine. You rolled in with your hair in the wind, baby, without warning.
I was doing all right, but you still
I had my heart storming. The rain went hot and the stars were shining. The rain was driving, thunder, lightning, hitting my whole world when you came. Hit me like a hurricane.
somebody scream America!
Woo!
It was gonna be a long
Night. I can't really do this thing.
I started talking about us again. Yeah, my words are cemetery town.
And walk down. Would be in my truck, driving us to your house. You rolled in with your hair in the wind, baby, without warning.
I was doing all right,
Just your side had my heart swimming. The moon went high and the stars quit shining. The rain was driving, thunder, lightning, wrecking my whole world when you came. We're recording, we're good. Really running low in space though, so if it cuts out, it's not my fault. Well, it kinda is, but you rolled in with your hair in the wind, baby, without warning. Since I had my heart storming, the moon went high and the stars quit shining. The rain was driving, thunder, lightning, hit my whole world when you came. Like a hurricane. And yes, I know I did switch sides. I was. Right. I can't really see my screen, so. But if you see the white trailer, it's over there somewhere. That's where I was at.
now, this next one I want to do just because it's my favorite song right now. Yes. Oh, that's what she wants to. Oh, well, you don't have to download that one. You don't have to I mean, you should download it anyway, just because.
Oh.
Yeah, but I think we know how to do that one. All right, so we finally figured out.
good.
So we talked to Matt Henshaw,
All right.
and I don't have to put him in timeout because.